Hello everyone and welcome to a wedding video all about the food and drinks for your wedding on a budget. If you're planning a wedding on a budget, you know that catering can be around 50% of your total budget. So I thought it would be great to create a tutorial on how to change that. I've got some creative, budget-friendly ideas that will help you impress your guests. In this video, I will start by explaining you how you can use AI to give you all the ideas so you don't need to be that creative, and also to find budget-friendly food and drinks. At the end, I will share some inspiration on how to change your expensive catering bill into even possible the half of it. So now, if you're looking for more inspiration, you can use AI tools like ChatGPT to help you brainstorm. This for unique ideas for your wedding menu, for example. You'd be surprised at how much it can help with creative thinking and also narrowing down your options. So here's an example of a prompt that you can use in ChatGPT. I'm planning a wedding on a budget and need creative, affordable ideas, food, drinks, unique, memorable wedding theme you enter. You like a mix of finger food, buffet style options, and maybe a couple of standout drink ideas. Can you suggest some ideas? So what makes this prompt effectively is that you mention budget-friendly or affordable options. If you include this in your prompt in ChatGPT, for example, it will really stay within the reach of your budget. Next, also to add is adding details about your theme. It gives AI more context and it will personalize its suggestions. Third, include phrases like finger food, buffet style drinks. It helps AI to focus on the exact type of dishes and drinks that you're interested in. And last but not least, highlight that you want it unique. Then it can lead to more creative, outside of the box recommendations. You can also change this to casual, and then it will go on the internet, look for ideas that are happening more often in the wedding scene. So using this approach, AI can generate everything from casual to elegant options based on your theme and preferences. It's a great tool for adding variety to your brainstorming, whether you're planning only a main menu or even just a drink station. So now you know who can use AI to give you some inspiration, but I also have some inspiration based on my wedding planning experience. Let's start with catering. Traditional sit-down meals can be really pricey, so why not think outside of the box? And the first option I would want to give you is the buffet. It allows guests to pick what they want, it can often save so much money, and it keeps things casual and flexible. Next, I want to give you the idea of food trucks. These are trendy and offer great food variety. Tacos, pizza, fries, you can almost get everything. And you can also negotiate with local food trucks for a fixed rate, which can be more affordable than hiring a full catering staff. Setting up a self-serve station can save also on catering costs and give your guests something fun to do. Like, for example, a cheese board. These can be really fancy or just as simple, just what you prefer. And also you can create a dessert table with bit-sized treats like cupcakes, macarons, or even a donut wall. Here guests love the variety and you save on the expense of a large wedding cake. Drinks are another area that can blow your budget fast, but here are some tips to keep them low. First up, skip the full bar and offer a couple of just cocktails. This keeps alcohol costs lower and adds personal touch to the reception. If your venue allows it, buy your own alcohol and hire bartenders. This can also be at a fraction of the cost of just the full service bar you get at venues. Last, set up a fun self-serve station with lemonade, iced tea, mocktails, perfect for an outdoor wedding and also budget friendly. For food, when it comes to the main menu, seasonal and local ingredients are often more affordable and taste amazing. So ask your caterer what's in season, if they can incorporate it in your menu, because seasonal foods, they're fresher, cheaper, and also it will save your money while supporting local businesses. It's not just about what you serve, it's also about how you serve it. Simple food can look high-end with the right presentation. So here, garnish with fresh herbs, edible flowers, and use creative serving ware like rent beautiful platters, wooden boards, unique trays, all this to elevate the presentation and impress your guests. So those are my top food and drinks tips for a beautiful wedding on a budget. With a little creativity and planning, you can create an amazing experience for yourself and for your guests without overspending. And don't forget, you can use AI for this to ask for ideas and guide you by giving it information about your total attendees, location, budget, and style. So let me know in the comments if you have any other budget-friendly food or drink idea, and don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make your wedding dream come true. Thanks for watching!